Just west of Naples lies a land unlike any other, the Phlegraean Fields, or Campi Phlegrae, a name that means burning fields, and for good reason. Here, the earth bubbles, the ground breathes, and the air carries the scent of ancient fire. This is a land forged by volcanoes and worshipped by empires. Greek settlers once believed it was the gateway to the underworld. The Romans built temples and thermal baths, blending myth and science in a place where the divine and the earthly meet. From the haunting steam of Solfatara to the shimmering waters of Lake Avernus, from the ruins of Cumae, where the Sibyl once prophesied, to the quiet shores of Baiae, once a playground for emperors, the Phlegraean Fields are an open-air epic. Here, history doesn't sit in museums. It erupts from the ground. It whispers from caves. It sleeps beneath the waves. Every crater, every column, every stone is a reminder that this is not just land, it's legend-made landscape. The Phlegraean Fields are not silent. They breathe, they shift, and they remind us that beneath calm beauty lies a world still alive, waiting to be felt.